Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert PNG to vector using Canva. So what you want to do first is you want to upload a PNG file. So we're going to have to go to our downloads here, select this one, then copy it here. So this is our PNG file. And now the next thing you want to do is once you have attached the PNG, you have two options actually. You can either go to share, go to downloads, go to file type, and select SVG for graphics, web design, and animation. And then just click download, and that would turn your file from PNG to vector. Now, another interesting thing that you can do is by going to Canva apps. So, what you're going to do is here on the left, go down here to apps, and then type in or look for tracer. This is what you're gonna want to use. So just click on tracer, and now you can convert images to full color SVGs. Now you can choose your file, select it, and then trace image. So let's remove this file. And once that's done, it's automatically gonna turn your PNG file into vector. So while waiting, of course, again, just to reiterate what we did, the steps that we did, you can input your PNG file here directly on Canva and then download it as a SVG, or you can also use Tracer to turn it into an SVG or a vector file, just like that. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more tips and tricks only here on Tech Help Guy.